I purchased this meter off of Amazon. You'll have probably seen them in a lot of other people's videos. But what I'm going to be doing is it's got your source and then your load, and these come as bare wires. And what I'm going to be doing is connecting them to the solar panel to the MC4. So what I've got here is basically one end where we are putting together an MC4. There's your plug. Here's whatever the heck you call that guy. You crimp this guy here and you just put all these pieces together, you screw them together. That makes your connection. So I'm going to go ahead and set the camera down and do that now. The positive is complete, and now I'm going to do the same to make my negative MC4 terminal. Okay, on our source side, I've got half done here, and then I have this guy, which will wire it right into here. And if you look at these, I'm using these little quick connects right here. You just flip the little thing. I don't think I can do this with one hand, but I will give it a shot. One of these days I will understand what the tripod is for, and I will use it for such. This is not that day. And you just push that little clip down, and that's it. Here's one by itself. Well, I can't really do this. Okay, anyways, these tabs lift up, down, up. You can take the wire out. They're reusable. You can change it. If you want to use this to test different sources, you use these plugs, and you can swap them out in like 5 seconds. They just really swap out quick. And in case you're wondering, that's what these guys are. You guys can look for those online. I do believe, again, I got these on eBay, I believe, kind of getting everything on eBay. But yeah, so now we are going to do the same thing with the load end. And just like that, we are done. You will see, actually I don't have it plugged into anything. Got a little more light here, trying to illuminate things a little better. Here's our source, here's our load. This is what you're going to power. This is your solar panels, essentially, in this configuration. Back this up a little bit. Okay. Again, input, input, output. And this comes with the 2 wires. We've wired these quick connectors in line with this. See if I can zoom in a little bit there, and you can change these out. You pull this little tab up right there, and I can take it out. And this is just that guy right there, which is a MC4 we are using for testing tomorrow. Plug back in, clip it down, we're back in business. Okay, there you go. MC4s on the load end. These will plug in, not the load end, I'm lying to you, that's the source end. These are going to be plugged directly into a solar panel for testing. Power comes through and then it comes out, and this is the identical setup on the other end of this guy here. Quick disconnects if we were going to a different type of plug-in, different wherever it's going, those change out in 2 seconds. These are going to whatever the appliance is that I'm testing, which right now I'm working on this Paccess power supply little thing, and these are going to go into the adapter for charging on that. That's where that's going to go. But you can use this, you change out what you want to test the power on. You can just change the ends. No crimping, this is all quick disconnect, and we will put it through its paces on another video.